Hey guys, and welcome to the inaugural episode, and possibly the only episode, we'll see, of Respect the Chicken, the Hearthstone series all about making the Angry Chicken a viable card. Now, one thing you have to take into consideration with the Angry Chicken is it's a lose-lose for your opponent. Because if your opponent beats a deck centered around the Angry Chicken, congratulations, you beat an Angry Chicken. But if they lose to a deck centered around the Angry Chicken, well, that's kind of embarrassing. So I was fiddling around with this last night. There are a couple of changes I want to make. So I'm just going to make those changes now with you. So what I had is I had two Mind Visions. But... Did I have two Mind Visions? What did I just take out of my deck? Yeah, okay. So I had two Mind Visions, but... we need to be able to protect our... chicken. So I'm looking for, instead of those, I'm going to throw in, see the target dummy. Yeah, you know what? I'm going to throw in a couple of target dummies just to protect the chicken. And second, I have been using Thought Steal, which can be good. You can get some really good cards from it. You know what we're going to do? I'm going to put one target dummy in, and then we're going to put 2 threes. But again, we need to be able to protect our chicken. So what is the best way to do that? I reckon the Nomarian Infantry, one of them. And whenever you play a 1-attack minion, give it +2/2. Maybe a Hobgoblin. Yes, I enjoy that. To the point that I think we'll take the target dummy out. No, it's probably a late. If you put the Hobgoblin out, then you put the chicken out, that's a turn 4, 3/3 chicken. With the target dummy as well. Yeah, I'm not sure. So the object here is to not only protect the chicken... Actually, we can take those Resurrects out. Those Resurrects haven't been doing me as much good as I thought they would, so we'll add another Hobgoblin. And we'll add a Ironfur Grizzly. So, you have to protect the chicken, but you also have to give other options for silences and stuff. So, that's why I have the Light of the Naru. Once I've taken 4 damage on something, I throw the Light of the Naru out there, I get my Light Warden, I heal a bunch of shit really quickly, and then my Light Warden all of a sudden is 9/2. And it's like, what do I hit? Do I hit the chicken or do I hit the Light Warden? It's all about making them make difficult choices. You got the Cleric there. Obviously, there are only 2 chickens in your deck. I need to be able to draw them. That's what the Cleric's for. Divine Spirit, doubling the health. I need to preferably get a Power Wheel Shield onto the Angry Chicken, and then a Divine Spirit, really buff him up there. Shadow Word Pain helps me kill things. Lightwell, obviously more healing. Shadow Boxer, just one of those with the amount of healing that goes on in this deck, it's annoying. Shadow Word Death, I have a lot of difficulty with high cards. Valen's Choosing, amazing if you can throw that on the chicken. Dark Cultist is going to give my chicken more health. It's going to protect my chicken. Hobgoblin, give my chicken more health, protect my chicken. Mind Games, you never know what you're going to get with Mind Games, you have to do it. And Holy Nova, not only is it healing, it's also killing any of their little stuff. So, let's get in and see what we can do with our Angry Chicken. This one's not about climbing ranks, fellas. If you lose 4 games just to win 1, that's fine. You lost those 4 games using an Angry Chicken. There's nothing to be ashamed of, but that game you won. That person, mentally, they should be defeated.
Anduin versus Thrall.
Alright, Thrall.
For Doomhammer.
Ah! First turn chicken. It's pretty good. Divine Spirit, no. I would rather a Power Word Shield. Which I got. It's pretty good. So what I can do is if I draw something else on my first or second turn, I can play that and save my Angry Chicken for turn 4. We'll see. I'm not going to throw an angry chicken out there by itself. That would be madness. Shadow Boxer. You know, we could throw him out early. Save the chicken. I think we're going to, actually. This way I'll put the Hobgoblin out next. Yeah, I'll put the Hobgoblin out next. You know, that's good. Would have killed my chicken. Wasted a lot of cards. So he goes out. If he survives, we throw the chicken out. We throw the power word shield on the chicken, and then we double his health. And hope that he can't silence it. No, bringing something big out.
Time.
Okay. So, new plan. Chicken comes out. Get away, double health. And we're going to have to do that. Okay, so we've got a 3-3 chicken right now. It's not bad. He's only got 3 mana because of his overload. Alright. Got another angry chicken. I don't think Shaman has a mass silence. So throw the other chicken out.
Goblins and gnomes.
So now we've got a 3-5 chicken and a 5-7 chicken. The angry chicken is strong. Please no master spell. Good. Okay, so we'll use our Lightwell. That's going to put him up to a 10-2. Now he's a 10-4. Not bad for an angry chicken that started life as a 1-1. Wouldn't be... Oh. It's a bit of a misplay if you ask me. See, so that 5-7 now he's obviously lost his enrage, but that's fine. Let's throw this out there for some protection. Sometimes I like doing that extra damage to them because now even when the Lightwell heals him, which is not, I don't know what he's going to do on his turn, it's not necessarily going to heal him.
The gates are open.
But he's going to maintain his boost. So he's going to kill my... That's fine. You look at 10-6 now. So what would he go to? He'd go back down to 5, which I'm okay with.
Is someone injured?
So I think we're going to heal him. And then we're going to double his health. And another Lightwell. So now our 1-1 angry chicken is now 10-8.
The gates are open.
He's got a lot of taunt. I feel like this is a very new player. Alright, so we've got a bunch of new cards there. So, alright, what way are we going to do this? So,
Is someone injured?
now we've got a 3/5 Northshire Cleric, and I think we'll put this over on you. And he quit. He got beat by chickens. I feel like with the card back he was using and a deck full of taunts, he was a newer player. And he may uninstall his game now. As that is the power of the angry chicken. When it works. When it doesn't work, it's upsetting for everyone involved.
Anduin versus Thrall.
For Doomhammer.
The light shall bring
Okay,
victory.
that is not a great opening hand, and I am more than happy to trash all of them. That's better. You don't have anything to play in tandem with the angry chicken yet, but hopefully we will get that opportunity. What card back are we using?
Ready for action.
I thought card backs were in options. Apparently not.
Right away.
We still have nothing to use with my angry chicken. It's upsetting. Eesh. Alright, let's throw that out there.
Ready.
If he throws something out with 4 attack, with that, I can run into it. Give it to my angry chicken.
Guide you.
Okay. I don't want to give you mind games, so how about we just...
Sealed.
This is upsetting because I've got the chicken, I just can't do anything with it.
Handle it.
Personally, I didn't love the Flame Tongue Totem that early. You can get more value out of it. I didn't like that move either. Oh, I can use my chicken. Whenever a character is healed, deal 1 damage. Okay, but I've got to make sure heals actually survive. So. You, dead.
My fate is sealed.
You almost dead. Chicken comes out. We don't do that yet because I don't want him to get it. We hope that this attacks the right thing. Attack the wrong thing. So he is going to get a power word shield. Cannot be helped. Oh, that is upsetting. I can use it with my Nomarine infantry though. He's got something big coming out. He's going to give me a coin for it.
The gates are open.
Okay. Okay. Let's think about this. If I charge, that's going to be 3 and 3. Oh! I just did that the wrong order. Shit! What was I thinking? Why did I do that? That's alright.
For the gnomes.
That's alright.
My fate is sealed.
Don't give it to the target dummy. Oh, I didn't want you to give it to that either. Ah, that is a shame. I think I just lost this game because of my own stupidity. I could have used my Shadow Word Death and everything. Whenever you play a one-attack minion... Well, I don't have any one-attack minions, do I? That's actually not terrible.
Get behind me.
I hope you like my invention.
Surely he's not planning on attacking it. No. Stir a minion to full health and give it taunt. Okay, I gotta think about this. Get rid of that. 4, it'll leave him with 1 health. I got a heal, I can hope that works. If not, I can run that into that. Okay, so we use Valena's Chosen on my chicken. Run that into that. I'm gonna heal this guy. Ah, I hit the wrong one. And I'm gonna run an 8/5 chicken into his face. I did stuff up that turn earlier, but you know. Okay, got that.
I hope you like my invention.
How much health is this thing supposed to have? 3, 7. So if I heal that completely, it's going to take him down to 3. But if I run into that... Okay. Maybe I heal it. See what this is going to do. Hit the wrong thing. I think I got no choice. I think I have to do that. Leaves it on 1 health. It's very upsetting. Could return it to my hand, but I don't want to do that. He's going to be able to kill it. It's got 1 health.
Behold the might of Stormwind!
Maybe he can't kill it. Oh, what a... That's perfect. Obviously we're going to heal. You know what, we even might destroy his totem just to be safe. And throw that out there. Still got that coin, as I could have used it to draw another card, I guess.
Ready for action!
Yep, that's what the Hobgoblin was thrown out there for. It's not going to help you. It's really not going to help. Another taunt here would screw me. No, he's dead. Game over. See what we get. Shouldn't it give me... Isn't that supposed to give me an extra card? Excess mana? Oh no, that's the druid power, isn't it? What did it give me? Spider, whatever.
Goblins and gnomes.
Goblins and gnomes. And the chicken! 2 in a row for the chicken! Obviously we're at very low rank, but the chicken strikes again. Let us see if we can go 3-0 with the chicken. Need a haircut so bad. It's just all like, hey, what are you doing, man? What you doing, man? Just hanging out? Oh, look at
The
you.
light shall bring victory.
Okay, extra card. waiting for a turn 4 chicken to work. I'd rather risk it. We got the chicken, we just need something to use it with. A lot of shamans, this is 3 shamans in a row. Oh, there you go, I can use that turn 3, so. Oh, another angry chicken. Back to back angry chickens. How's that well played? What are you talking about, man? Oh, okay. Bit hesitant to throw my angry chicken out there right now. So I am not going to.
Ready.
I'm not going to. Come on. Hit me. Hit me. Hit me, hit me, hit me, hit me, hit me. Hit me, hit me! Hit me! Hit me! Hit me! Come on, hit me. Hit me. It's worth it. It's worth it. Hit me. Yes. What's that thing's death rattle? You have a friendly mech. Okay, yeah, you don't have a mech. So, I believe we'll go Hobgoblin. And just to share the targets around. Because that's a 3-3. If he looks at that as a 3-3, this is a 3-5. So that, right now, potentially a juicier target. Yeah, I'm even hovering over it. Trying to make him think that I'm going to do something with it.
I wonder.
If he throws something out that's got less than 3 attack, I'm going to jump on it. He's thinking.
What to do?
He is thinking.
There is little time.
Come on, get the pressure. Make the wrong decision with the pressure.
I wonder.
You've got the pressure.
Powering up. Portal online.
Okay. So I think he was looking for an option that would deal with everything. Obviously he didn't
Goblins
get
and
that.
gnomes.
Now how do we want to do this? How do we want to do this? I think we'll go mind games, hope something good. Oh! Could you get anything better?
Well played.
And let's put another angry chicken out there.
Job's done.
That was literally perfect. Exactly what I needed. I've still opened myself up for the lightning storm. But that was good. I'm very happy with that.
I wonder.
Does anything ever come out of these eggs? I think that was a mistake. I think the damage from that hobgoblin had been done. I mean, I guess he's got no way of knowing that. But I think that was a mistake. Why would you throw that out? I want that. Unless he plans on killing my healthy chicken. Yeah, okay. Okay. So this is what we do instead.
Is someone injured?
That goes out. That goes out. We heal. Oh, amazing. Damn, that's a shame. Give him some extra health.
Right away.
So now he's 8-4. If that had a hit, I would have been very happy. Because I could have gone 5 to the face with my cleric. Oh well. So what's that make his health now? 3, 4, 5. Okay. So I can't heal him if I want to keep the 8. I've got these now to deal with any nonsense and shenanigans. Got this, I may as well use it. Make him... okay. What are you going to do here? If I was him, what would I do? The totem, maybe? So look at this. 8, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Yeah. It's his best chance at surviving. So what's my health now? I'm still just missing the 2. I don't think there was any way that I could end that turn. I don't think I missed lethal.
I see.
Yeah, he's got no answer here. No answer. He should run himself into the chicken. That's what he should do. The angry chicken. 3 and 0. Angry chicken. I never thought I would see win streak bonus stars from the angry chicken. We are just making people quit the game today. I should leave it at 0 and 3 and publish this as undefeated chicken deck. But we're going to go to 4 and this will be the game we lose. Just watch. If it's not though, undefeated chicken deck published tonight on torrentthis.tv. Get into it. A paladin's good. A paladin is really good.
I will fight with honor.
The light shall bring victory.
I'm happy with the cleric. Don't need the target dummy yet. No chicken yet. Don't tell me we've got to run the chicken deck no chicken. I just like giving Craig the updates, letting him know how the chicken deck is going.
Is someone injured?
This will be our loss. I do not like what we've started with. Not at all. I want to hold on to that.
Right away.
I want to hold on to that. The Northshire Cleric, not worth protecting. Not yet,
I
anyway.
hope you like my invention.
Okay. At the start of your turn,
Right
Yes. We will draw next turn. His consecration at 4. He can do the consecration right now if he wants. I think he's going to. Oh no, true silver champion. Okay. So I think now that that's out, we will go,
Injured?
The damned stand ready.
and we will use the taunt this time. If he wants to get through it, that's fine. He can consecrate, and then he can use his sword. That's a lot. I mean, that's basically 8 mana to get through a 0-2 taunt. Okay, so
Right away.
My
bang,
fate is sealed.
bang. Healed cleric. No, it's not what I wanted. No chicken. I'm not feeling it without the chicken. Just gonna do it? No. Okay. Okay. Another light well. Ooh, Valen's choosing. I have to use it, because that's going to be a pain if I don't.
My fate is sealed.
Still no chicken. No chicken, no hobgoblins.
I hope you like my invention.
We
Consecrate?
must cleanse the Sunwell.
Alright, against that. Shadow Boxer. Hobgoblin, with nothing to play it with though. There's no real way to take them both out, and I don't want to lose this if I can avoid it. So it may seem silly, but I'm going to do that.
My fate is sealed.
Right away.
Just because as long as I can keep that target dummy up, it gives me time to get the chicken out. And I want to make him use his consecrate against it. I'm very happy with that result.
Reporting for duty.
Extremely happy, actually. Even more happy if he attacks that over my cleric. Yes, I'm perfectly happy with that. Light of Naru. Nothing's taken enough damage to use that effectively. Give me a chicken. Another Shadow Boxer.
My fate is sealed.
Right away.
I've got the cards I need for when the chicken comes out. I just gotta wait for that. See, this guy right now doesn't know that he's fighting an Angry Chicken deck, and that's upsetting to me. Oh, it's perfect. I don't even need to run into it if I don't want to. Ah, there's the chicken! You know, I will run into it because I can do this. Heal you up. I hope I've got enough space. Oh, I don't have enough space. Shit! No! No, I don't have enough space for the chicken! No! You know what? I could have enough space for the chicken. I'm going to. Come on. I don't have enough mana. Go. Quickly. Attack. Okay. The chicken is out. I have the chicken out. which means this totally counts.
Tazdingo!
I had to kill my own Lightwell for it. Oh wow. Okay. 5, 7. Okay, how do I get through this? I need 4.
My fate is sealed.
Maybe I might only need... Oh yeah, I can kill it with that now. My Light Warden. Well, you know what? Why not just do that? How much health does he have? Oh, I can't get another Light Warden out.
The victory is
Yes! 4-0! Angry Chicken! Oh, that's what it's all about! 4-0 Angry Chicken. We're going to end it right there. We will pick this up though. I just want to keep these videos to 36 minutes or so. To 36 minutes. How oddly specific. It's almost I looked at the recording time. Alright! I hope you enjoyed Respect the Angry Chicken. Let's keep the Angry Chicken train rolling with a couple of other videos. If you want to see me try and make the Angry Chicken work in another deck, you got some ideas? Let me know. Let's bring the power of the Angry Chicken to the world.